Hello and welcome to another edition of Applied History. I'm Matt Blanchette, here today with American Renaissance, Nate Sylvia. Thanks for being here. And we're graced by the owner, Sierra, of 20 Orange Street in Newburyport, Massachusetts. I happen to have had the pleasure when I was first starting out in Newburyport, putting together a walking tour of downtown area where this was on the list, and I happen to know just a couple of facts, but Sierra's going to fill us in a little more. It was built circa 1890 by a gentleman named Henry Moody, is that right?
Yep.
And I just found out today on the onion dome, there's a copper finish with the M on it for Henry Moody. You see a lot of different styles here. The fretwork is Oriental, so you see all the ornamental facade work. That's a Chinese influence. And I think that might be all I have. Is there anything else that you could tell us about Henry Moody or 20 Orange Street?
The house is a Queen Anne Victorian.
Oh, nice.
That's the specific style.
Yep, which puts us in the late 19th century, around 1890.
Yep, kind of quintessential classic Victorian. Very ornamental. You mentioned the onion dome. That's a rare type
one of a kind
turret.
Yeah, right.
Henry Moody was an inventor. He owned several patents. He had a machine shop downtown in what's now the Newburyport Art Association building.
NAA on Water Street. Yeah.
They made, it was called Victor Manufacturing.
Okay.
They manufactured fireproof doors and I think bicycles too.
Awesome.
Early bicycles.
It's good to have a fireproof bicycle, especially when you drive as fast as Nate.
That's right.
So the Victor Manufacturing Company actually, which was a big deal right after the Great Fire of Newburyport, very historically tied in, a beautiful piece of property. How long have you been the owner for?
About 16 years.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful house. It is certainly like one of the staples of our town. And Nate, tell us a little bit about what you'll be doing to this property over the next couple weeks.
We're doing a full paint, scrape, sand, prime, finish coat. I think we're changing the colors slightly.
Just a little bit.
Yeah,
okay.
a little darker on the purple, a little brighter on the trim.
Nice.
Restoring the windows, doors, decking, pretty much every aspect of the outside of the house.
Wow. So you obviously started to scrape a lot of the house already. Is there any particular part of the house that's tricky or challenging for you?
The sash work is pretty intricate.
Yeah.
The fretwork, like you said.
Is there any sash work right here? What are we talking about?
Every window. And there's a storm to accompany every window that has glaze.
So you're still just scraping those?
We're still just scraping those.
Okay, so that's a lot of just doing it the right way by hand. Yeah, awesome. Great. Sierra, thank you for being here, joining us for today. Nate, I'm excited to go see. Follow us for what we're about to do and show you back. There's a door on the other side of the house that we're looking forward to showing you. Thank you guys. Stay tuned.